Dreaming of an African safari but unsure where to start? Imagine coming face to face with a majestic lion or witnessing the Great Migration firsthand. This video cuts through the confusion, giving you essential tips and practical advice to plan your incredible first safari, ensuring a smooth and unforgettable adventure. Welcome to Tourism African, where we bring you closer to Africa's wonders. Whether it's your first trip or your 50th, today's journey will prepare you for an adventure that's as breathtaking as it is life-changing. A safari isn't just a vacation, it's an immersion into Africa's heartbeat. From the open plains of the Serengeti to the wetlands of the Okavango Delta, every region offers a different rhythm of nature. The word safari comes from the Swahili word for journey. And that's exactly what it is, a journey not only across landscapes but within yourself. Before you start packing, it's important to understand the types of safaris available: game drives, walking safaris, river safaris, luxury lodges, or mobile camps. Your experience depends on your expectations. Africa is vast, and each region tells a different story. Kenya and Tanzania offer the classic Big Five experience. Botswana delivers serenity and exclusivity. South Africa combines wildlife with modern comfort, while Uganda and Rwanda offer the thrill of guerrilla trekking. Choosing the right destination depends on what you want: adventure, photography, luxury, or pure wilderness. Timing is everything. Dry seasons, usually from June to October, make wildlife spotting easier as animals gather around waterholes. But the wet seasons, lush and green, bring newborns and vibrant scenery. Want to see the Great Migration? Plan for July to September in the Serengeti or Masai Mara. For birdwatchers, November to April is paradise. Packing for a safari isn't about fashion, it's about practicality. Lightweight, neutral-colored clothes help you blend with nature. Avoid bright colors that attract insects or scare animals. Bring binoculars, a good camera, sunscreen, insect repellent, and a wide-brimmed hat. Most lodges offer laundry services, so pack light and smart. Safety is key. Consult your doctor about vaccinations and malaria prevention. Carry a small first aid kit, and always follow your guide's instructions. Remember, safaris aren't zoos, you're in the wild. Respect animals' space, stay in your vehicle unless told otherwise, and never feed wildlife. Your tour operator can make or break your safari. Look for licensed, experienced guides who understand the terrain and local culture. Tourism African partners with trusted operators across the continent, ensuring safety, comfort, and authentic experiences, from luxury lodges to eco-friendly camps.